Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E7 Power, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel. Just gonna clear all this out. And from here you want to look for Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right in the top right corner right here. So once you find it, you want to hold this toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it works. So we can change who can call us or message us right here. Then we have exceptions, or see all exceptions. That also includes calls and messages again. But we also have toggles for alarm sounds, media sounds, touch sounds, and so on. So select which ones you want during the Do Not Disturb mode. Now going back out, we also have restrictions for notifications. So you can select what kind of notifications and when they can go through. Then we have default duration, meaning whenever you tap on the toggle itself. So you can choose either to turn off for a specific amount of hours or ask every time. And lastly, we have the option for schedule, which will allow you to set up a schedule so it turns on and off automatically in a given time and day of the week. Now once you set it all up the way you want it, you can simply leave it, and all you need to do now is tap on a toggle to turn it on whenever you want it. Or if you have set it up as a schedule, then you don't really need to do much more. It just turns on its own whenever it's time for it. Now if you go the manual route, then you'll also probably need to turn it off by tapping on it again. So anyway, that is how you would set it up and use this. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.